Are you searching for an InVideo AI free premium account? Hack, crack, Telegram links, bugmanot? Stop. Because in this video, I'll show you what's real, what's fake, and the only working ways to use InVideo AI Premium features safely. Millions of users are searching for InVideo AI free premium account. InVideo AI free premium account Telugu, Hindi, Urdu, Bangla, BD, and more. But most of these videos don't tell you the truth. Let's be clear. There is no working hack, no InVideo AI free premium account crack, no bugmanot C, no Telegram link that is safe. Most hack InVideo AI free premium account videos lead to fake websites, scams account bans. Now let's talk about real methods. Method 1. Official free plan. InVideo AI offers a free plan to test AI video generate features. Method 2. Referral and promotions. Some users search for InVideo AI free premium account referral or how to extend InVideo AI premium account usage free. Promotions and referral credits sometimes allow extended usage. Method 3. Discounted premium. Many ask, how to get InVideo AI free premium account for $4. This usually means limited time discounts, not lifetime free. With InVideo AI, you can AI video generate from text, fast video edit social media videos, export with limits on free plan premium unlocks, faster export, higher quality advanced features. That's why searches like InVideo AI free premium account export fast to last are so popular. People search this in every language. InVideo AI free premium account in Hindi review. InVideo AI free premium account. Urdu Bangla tutorial Telugu guide. InVideo AI free premium account. Tajruba. The truth is the same. Use legit methods only.